Hello my fellow gamers, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how I was able to fix Tainted Grail, the fall of Avalon, crashing on Steam. So if you're also having that exact same problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is actually how I fixed it. Firstly I opened up Steam as you can see, and then I clicked on library right here. So on library I just found the game, here it is, so I right clicked on it. Then I clicked on manage, I clicked on browse local files as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I found the fall of Avalon right here and I just right clicked on it. Then I clicked on properties, or sorry, I think I clicked on the wrong one here. I'm just going to click on this one. Yep, here it is. Click on properties, then click on compatibility. Then I just clicked on run this program as an administrator. I clicked on apply and then I clicked on OK. And another thing, you're now going to enter the game. Click on yes right here. And then you're going to click on control. Oh, sorry. I'm just going to click on yes here once again. Let's see if it actually lets me open. Yep, perfect. So click on control, tab and escape. Click there, and then you should be able to see this page right here, and click on details right here now. Then click on fall, right click on fall of Avalon right here, click on set priority, then set it to high. Then click on change priority and then try once again. So basically when I did this, I was actually able to play the game without any crashes whatsoever now for a couple of minutes at least. So it actually fixed it for me, so I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.